Oh, David, please introduce yourself.
I have popcorn.
And today's video is called Seagull. We tossed 2 pieces of bread out there, if you can see them, and now it's just eating them. Hey.
Your mom's a homo.
Oh, we're feeding seagulls. Ah, fucker. Bread. Bready bread. Hey, buddy. She's a good girl. Yeah, you eat that cheese. Yum, 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 yum. Investigating. Yes? Okay. You look like a bird.
Okay, so we don't have Scotch on display at Best Buy. We have the information.
Hey.
Bullshit.
This has broken head boxes.
He works at Best Buy. Well, for co-op.
I just said something about Best Buy.
Literally,
No
it's
shit.
fucking going.
I wasn't paying attention. And neither was Popcorn Man here.
Wow, you're winning.
Not this game. You fucking EDC by it. It's bullshit. So bullshit that it became one of the biggest esports in recent times.
Yeah.
It's me recording on my phone, but this is David's video.
It's Vegeto's kick. That's the only thing broken.
Vegeta is my butter! No, it's not.
Even that is spider over the mouth.
Who made it in Smash Bros?
So, you're here. Say goodbye, David.
Bye!
That's it? That's it? Oh.
What?
Whoop.